Hi, it's Terry Hartley at RusticBarnCards. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. I'm glad you're here. Quick Tip Monday. My quick tip today is talking about crystal effects, shimmery crystal effects. And I have just recently started playing around with this, and I thought maybe some of you might be wondering, like, what is it? How do you use it? So this is almost like a lacquer. It's not, it's an adhesive, but it does give some depth and some shimmery effects. So let me show you. I'm bringing in one of the little stamps from Pampered Pets, and I have used blends and colored it. I'll bring it down so you can see. And then you take the cap off. You do not need to shake the crystal effects like you do the Wink Stella. You might have to shake it a little bit if you're having trouble squeezing and getting some of the crystal effects out of the bottle, but you're not going to shake it up like you do the Wink Stella. And this does take like almost an hour to dry, so you need to think about that when you use it on your projects. Now I have a little arthritis in my hand, so sometimes it's kind of hard for me to maybe to get it started, but you probably won't have that. So you do want to put a little bit, kind of like a gob, and you can use your the tip to kind of spread it around. So I'm going to add the crystal effects to the cushion that the cat is sitting on. Then I'm going to come over here and try to keep it off the cat. See if I can hold it on this one end. So this is, you could use this on maybe if you have some trees on your cards, some packages, flowers. And it gives a shimmery effect. All right, I am going to let this dry, and then we'll look at it. And after you use it, you will want to take like a Kleenex and then just wipe the top off. And then put the cap back on. So here is the from the Pampered Pets, the little cat. They put it on cardstock so you can see the crystal effects. And then I also tried the crystal effects just without coloring, and I didn't care for this as well. I liked it on the cat that I used the Oat Olive blends on. And then I went ahead and also on the little gifts, I just used crystal effects on the middle gift. See if you can see that. Can you see that? I'll try to shine that so you can see how it kind of pops up and kind of gives a glimmer. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the tips on using shimmery crystal effects. You can leave a comment on how you've used the shimmery crystal effects. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.